The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 is back, and it's better than ever. Known as the workhorse of the adventure bike world, the KLR has always been about one thing: going anywhere, anytime, without breaking the bank or breaking down. This year's model keeps that reputation alive while adding just the right touch of modern refinement. Design and engine, rugged and reliable. At a glance, the KLR 650 still looks tough, with its tall stance, windscreen, and classic dual-sport build. New for 2026, you get a sharper front end with LED lighting and an updated digital display. But the soul of the bike is still its legendary 652 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, fuel-injected, torquey, and nearly indestructible. It puts out around 40 horsepower and delivers strong low-end power for both off-road climbs and daily commuting. Off-road ready, street comfortable. This bike is built to tackle trails, gravel roads, and long highway stretches. Long travel suspension and spoked wheels help it soak up rough terrain, while the wide seat, rubber-mounted handlebars, and windscreen make long rides more comfortable. It also comes with a massive 6.1-gallon fuel tank, giving you over 300 miles of range on a single fill-up. Simple tech, serious value. You won't find ride modes or a touch screen here. The 2026 KLR 650 keeps it simple with switchable ABS and a clean digital dash. It's reliable, easy to maintain, and affordable, starting around $7,200. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone who wants to adventure without the extras. Final thoughts: adventure without limits. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 proves that you don't need flashy electronics or big horsepower to explore the world. All you need is a solid bike, a full tank, and a spirit for adventure. For real riders who value function over frills, the KLR is still the king.